Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be doing a $25 CRO giveaway. All you have to do to enter is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make your subscriptions public, like this video, and also go like my how to buy an NFT on cryptocom video. Follow me on Instagram, which will be in the description. Join my Telegram group as well, which will be in the description. Also, leave a comment down below, and if you'd like, you can include your CRO DeFi wallet address. Although if you don't include it, you can just basically type anything you want, like hi or this comments for the $25, whatever you want to put down. Just put something safe that where it won't most likely get blocked or anything, or put your CRO DeFi wallet address. That works too. If you don't put your CRO address, then I will have to reach out to you to get it privately to be able to send you the $25. And that might become an issue if you don't respond back, and then I just basically won't give away the $25 to the winner. I'd probably do another redraw, which is kind of why I'm doing this one, as I reached out to SME and they did not back to me. So yeah, I'll have all the requirements down in the description, and also I'll leave a comment down below as well. That's basically just gonna let you guys know all the requirements to be able to enter this giveaway. And this giveaway will end on the April 15th. And in other news, other than the giveaway, we can go to the markets on CoinGecko, and you guys are probably wondering about the price of CRO. It's currently at 20 cents. In the past 7 days, we can see it was at 24 cents, 20 cents. It's kind of a big dump right there. I'm not really sure what happened. I don't know if it's because the prices were being inaccurately reported. I'm assuming that's why. I don't think a dump actually did occur. Although, as of recently in the past 24 hours, obviously there has been somewhat of a dump because of what Bitcoin's doing right now. Everything always follows Bitcoin, and as we can see, the market cap in total of all cryptocurrencies is down 2.6%. Also, if you look on the 24-hour charts of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, like literally all these coins, Litecoin's down 7.8%. Filecoin's down 12%. So we can see all these projects down quite a bit in the last 24 hours. So honestly, it's really nothing to freak out about. Bitcoin went down, so that means all altcoins did too as well. And I personally think we're still kind of in the beginning of a bull run and with an alt season also. So I really don't think this is the bear market starting or anything like that. This happened back in like February after a big run up. And so we just had a lot of coins start running up as well recently. And now it seems a little crash is happening. And I think soon enough, Bitcoin will start chugging along again, going back up, and altcoins will follow as well. So I really don't think this is anything to freak out about. So just stay patient. I mean, dips like this is just the best time to dollar cost average and buy in and, buy the dip as well. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, good luck to everyone who enters. And yeah, I'll see you guys later in my next video.